Breaking into the world of SEO with no prior experience can seem like a daunting task. The labyrinth of keywords, backlinks, and algorithms can be overwhelming. It's a complex landscape demanding a grasp of SEO basics. But don't worry, even without experience, you can master SEO. Here are some key tips to help you get started with SEO. Firstly, keyword research is vital. It's like learning the language of your audience and helps you to create content that resonates. Secondly, high-quality content is king. It engages your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Finally, understanding Google's ranking system is crucial. It's like having a roadmap to the top of search results. With these strategies, you can start your SEO journey confidently. And remember, you don't have to go it alone. Authority Solutions simplifies SEO, making it more effective. With Authority Solutions, you can achieve your SEO goals. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and remember, your SEO success is just a few clicks away.